The simple thing is that whiskey is the most complex spirit in the world. Why is it the most complex spirit in the world? Because it is made from barley. It's not the barrels, it's not the distillation, it's not the pot stills, it's the grain, barley. To me, it's a plant, it's a cereal, and it will be influenced by where it grows.
This is the start of our process. We're in a field called Swift's Heath. Mr. Callbeck is behind me here harvesting the field. We have 46 different farmers growing for us. Irish barley would be considered the best varieties of barley in the world in terms of quality, reproducibility and easy to work with.
The more you look after the barley, the more you show interest in where the barley's grown, how it's grown, in which microclimate, which soil. It's not rocket science to establish that that becomes your most important factor.
We want to make a very unique, different, complex whiskey.
These wonderful oak barrels, smell that, I love it.
It's hugely energizing and exciting because the simple fact of the matter is it's a real challenge.
With Minch Malt, we were able to get together a group of top barley farmers to grow barley on these 19 different soil types, and we've been able to keep them all separate, the field to the barrel.
This is the brains of the operation, where the grain is inputted into this intake hopper here, which transferred through all the grain system, and it eventually ends up in the dryer here. This is the dryer panel here. It goes around this process here and exits the dryer here and ends up in the store 17.
So this store number 17 here in Dalton's, was specifically built for Waterford Distillery.
We're here in our purpose-built facility for Waterford Distillery. It's incredibly exciting actually. We have 28 bays here just for us. One bay here is the equivalent of roughly 1 week's worth of distillation, and every farmer has a little app on their phone so that they can actually identify and detail everything that they've done in their field. Everything is fully traceable back to here.
We're able to trace every grain of barley back to each and every field.
What you need in barley, you need a little bit of protein but not too much, and you need a good chunk of starch to convert into your sugar so that the yeast can work away and convert that into alcohol.
It is actually a joy to participate and take part and help in what will be a unique product delivered around the world.
So for this project, since barley is king, we have got an unsurpassed supply chain, unparalleled.
It's nice to think that there is a sort of a heritage going to be involved in this for years and years and years to come.
My interest is in keeping those barleys separate, to enjoy the differences, to enjoy the nuances, the subtleties of plants that grow on different soils. It's a very simple idea. It's nothing very complicated about it at all. The point of having 46 different versions is that we can then put those together to create the most compelling, the most profound single malt whiskey ever. Not just an Irish whiskey, but anywhere in the world.